What's up guys, it's Alex. We're going to take a quick look at my 72 CB350 Twin and then I'll take you on a little test ride. So let's do it.
With the help of binaural beats, your brain can synchronize with this pattern during waking consciousness.
What are binaural beats?
Beta waves, alpha waves, beta waves, alpha waves,
Beats. Beats.
beta waves, alpha waves, beta waves, alpha waves.
There it is, absolute classic example of these bikes from 72. If you got any questions about these Honda Twins, feel free to shoot me a message. I got no problem answering them. I'm just into these Honda Twin bikes, and if you like this one, it's only got 5,800 miles on it. $39.95 is what I'm asking, and I ship nationwide. Thanks for stopping by and watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Thanks for watching. I hope this was as entertaining for you as it was for me. And if not, well, oh well.